Hello all, once again welcome back to our channel. Today I come up with a very healthy recipe, one of the diet conscious recipe, nothing but 5 grain dosa. So in this dosa we'll be using, as I told you, grains. So before getting to the procedure how to make all these things, a little tips and tricks. Those who have not subscribed the channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and press the bell button for future notifications. So let us see. So we have to pre-plan this 5 grains dosa, like 3 to 4 hours of soaking time definitely required. So better you can make it in the night itself. So here I have taken basin dal and green moong dal and urd dal, as well black eyed peas, and finally black chana. So in this, the first four grains I have taken in one each quantity, whether it is a spoon or cup, one each quantity. And the black chana I have taken a little less because it may cause a breaking of a dosa. So that's why. So this we have to thoroughly wash it twice or thrice in the night, and we have to soak it for the overnight. So basically it requires 4 to 5 hours of soaking time. So once we soak at the night, so in the morning we will be shifting this soaked grains into our mixer grinder, and finally we'll be making a batter, dosa batter out of this grains. So use required quantity of water. Make sure we will get very thick and nice batter. So to this batter, we no need to add anything, like we can just grind it before 10-15 minutes of our preparation of dosa. And all that we require only salt to the taste. So I have added the salt to the taste. And one thing to be noted here, once we use this, definitely we have to keep it in the refrigerator temperature, because all the grains, no, there is a chance that it will ferment more. And now I have taken a fry pan, dosa pan. I have applied the ghee here, ghee or oil also fine. So one more thing is that we have to heat it in a high flame. Once the tawa is hot, we have to make the flame low or medium, because as it is a grains, it will take more time to get cooked. So we have to, in a low flame, we have to make sure all the dosa will be cooked inside also well. So just I'm dropping some 2-3 drops of oil or ghee, whatever is available or whatever is your in use, and we have to fry it slowly. So definitely it will gonna take a little more time than the normal dosa. So once it get fried properly, slowly we have to flip it to the other side. So that's how we can make 5 grain dosa. Along with the 5 grains, even if you have availability of other one or two grains, you can add it. And along with this, not as a like a plain dosa, even you can add some vegetables like onion, curry leaves, and carrot and all. You can make as a uttapam also. So that's how we can make healthy, delicious 5 grain dosa. Hope this recipe will be helpful to you all. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press bell button. And thank you so much for watching.